Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And for those of you who may be new, welcome. My name is Stephanie. You guys, today I have something new to my channel, Macy's Beauty Box. This is the first time I've subscribed to it. I've watched a lot of videos. Some people love it, some people hate it. I thought I'd give it a try. We'll see how it goes. Before we get into it, you guys, do you remember if you watched my recent Ice Cream Beauty unboxing, there was a little bullet lipstick in it. That's this color, and I do not like it. It's an orange red, and I've never been a fan of orange reds. I love orange, but I don't like the orange red. So I actually was looking for like 10 minutes to try to figure out where I put it. I have no idea where I put it. I don't know if I threw it out the minute I put it on, but this is going to be the last time this gets used on me. I do not like this color at all. It does not look good on me at all. So I did give it a whirl. It looks a lot different in the actual bullet container. Like I said, I don't know what I did with it. I literally tore around the house for 10 minutes trying to figure out where I put it after I put it on. And I've blotted it down a lot because it was so bold and it ran. I didn't think it was going to be quite the consistency that it was, and I didn't put a lip liner on, and so it ran everywhere. I don't like it. So if I can find it, it's going to go in the trash. Maybe it's already in there, but for me, I did not like that at all. It really, a lot of it is just has to do with the color. I don't like the color, but it's pretty. It's cute. I like the cute little sparkly pink container it was in. But now let's get on to this one. Ice cream is in the past. We're getting on to Macy's. Brand new subscription for me. Here we go. And honestly, you guys, this big box for this little, that's ridiculous. Talk about wasteful packaging. That already right off the bat is disappointing. I mean, I like that it's this, reusable box, but this is all that was in it. That's just so wasteful. Okay, it did come with a little QR code type thing. Says from sunrise to sunset, scan the QR code, learn about each product, ingredients, benefits, application, and more right from your phone. There's a $10 off coupon. Okay, so yeah, I'm very disappointed by the size of the box. Completely ridiculous when you got something this small in there. Could have gone in a padded mailer. So Macy's is being wasteful. Already that's kind of a turn off for me. Okay, here we go. First thing is a fragrance, Irresistible by Givenchy. I feel like I've smelled this one before. Let's see what it says. The delicate contrast between the note of a velvety rose and a warm patchouli. I am not a rose person. I guess I'll swatch it. Let's get a little, I just use like a Post-it note. I have perfume on already, so I'm not going to mix them. Okay, we've got it on here. This will probably go into like a giveaway or get given to somebody. It's not bad, but I don't think I would wear it. I'm glad it's not overpowering rose, which is good, but I'm just not a rose person. It's not a bad scent. It's not actually as bad as I thought it would be. Okay, next item is in this bag. I think it's a liner. Lancome Paris. That's nice. It says 1 unit. Okay, well, let's give it a whirl here. How do you get it out of the bag? Well, when in doubt, you get the scissors out, right? When in doubt, just get your scissors out. Okay, so Lancome, what do we got here? Looks like a black eyeliner to me, which is cool. Ultra precise waterproof liner. Okay, well, I've gotten back into the black liquid liners again. This is what it looks like as far as the applicator tip. We're going to go ahead and do a line. Let it dry down and see how smudge proof that is. So I would not call that full size. I would expect that to be more of a trial sample size, but hard to know with these high-end products lines. We've got our little swatchy going. Okay, next is a little itty bitty Smashbox Photo Finish Control Mattifying Primer. This is 0.17 fluid ounces. It's an itty bitty. So it is mattifying. Okay. Interesting. So 1 to 2 uses out of that little gem. All right. So far, so good. I think I see a mascara. Yep. ZeeSea Cosmetics Superhero Waterproof. And the color, well, doesn't really have a color so much as a color code. Okay, well, there's the color code in the like sample on the bottom. It looks kind of a black or dark brown, but that's it. Again, it doesn't look full size. This would be something where I'd call, like, I guess I call that deluxe sample. So that's fine. Okay, then we have, what is this? I'm not sure what this is. I'm curious. I don't, I literally, you guys, I just opened the box, turned on the camera, and I'm filming. So I have not scanned the QR code. I don't know if these are like blotting for like oil control or what, but we're gonna open this up. It's pretty packaging. Honestly, it kind of reminds me of like dentine gum. No shine, no problem. Okay. Well, there you go. It is definitely some sort of paper, blotting paper. I'm wondering if it's a highlighter paper. Yeah. This is the problem when I don't actually unbox ahead of like making the video. When I actually unbox with you guys and they don't put the card in, I have to scan the QR code. So we'll have to put a little information down below in the description, okay? Couple more items. 2 more. Looks like a lip oil. Clarins Paris. Oh yeah, 01 Lip Comfort Oil. Nice. And 01 Honey. Okay, it is honey. It's a little smashy, but that's what it looks like. The QR code on the back. Plant enriched, made in France. Okay. Natural color and glossy. Lips are moisturized and look more beautiful, even bare. Comfortable, light, non-sticky, glossy texture. Lip hugging cushion applicator. Cute. I do like lip oils. I tend to really prefer them in winter when it's super dry here. Because, when it's super dry, I guess I'm busting into it. I've already ruined the packaging. Okay. Oh, it's so cute. It's itty bitty and it's super cute. You guys, it's tiny. I love it. I hate this lipstick. All right, we're going to go ahead and swatch this. It's just got a regular little dofa. It's kind of, if you guys look at it, it's flat and then wide. So that's neat. Just an itty bitty little bit about on that first knuckle. Pleasant scent that I can't quite identify. It's right under this knuckle here. So I don't know if you can see the shine of it. No major color or anything. Pleasant scent. Okay, last one is MAC Fix It and Stay Over alcohol-free long-lasting setting spray. Little sample setting spray. Now, I don't like the pump because you end up getting like this, I feel like you get splashed. I prefer an aerosol, which provides you with that fine mist that's a little bit more even coverage. I find that the pump setting sprays, you just get like blasted with this like glob of setting spray. I don't know. I'm just not a fan. Or you have to do it way back here and kind of run into it. I don't like that. I like the aerosols. So MAC Cosmetics is always good. This is a pump setting spray. Because I hate pump setting sprays, I probably wouldn't even use this, honestly. I have not found one of these pumps that doesn't end up like globbing all over my face. So I will probably put that in the giveaway collection for y'all. So, okay, we've got the MAC's Fix and Stay Over Setting Spray, sample size. We've got the Clarins Paris Lip Comfort Oil, which is this right here, which I like the scent. I really can't identify it. I know the color is honey. It's just a very nice scent. We've got these papers, which I am guessing, just by the description, no shine, no problem. 2 guesses on it. Either there's highlighter papers, which I have definitely seen before, or like an oil blotting, but why would you say no shine, no problem? So pink highlighter. And then this itty bitty, which is the Smashbox Photo Finish Control Mattifying Primer Sample. It's an itty bitty. And then we've got this, which we'll circle back to in a minute. We've got this waterproof mascara from ZeeSea Cosmetics. It's their Superhero. So that's nice. And then I did swatch this from, let's see, it says it is Idole Ultra Precise Waterproof Liner. Anyway, it's Lancome. Here's the bag that it came in. A lot of bag for an itty bitty, but let's, it looks like it's dried down. So let's give it a rub. Ooh, a hard rub. Looks good. Looks good. Looks really smudge proof. Definitely, that's awesome. It says waterproof, so I licked my finger. Oh, okay, not waterproof. Maybe I read that wrong. Let's see what it says. It says it's waterproof, you guys. Ultra Precise Waterproof Liner. I mean, saliva is not water, but close enough. That's disappointing. Okay, well, I liked it until I got it wet. But it's all right. I'll use it. But it says it's waterproof. Clearly it is not. So that's disappointing. Really disappointing. From a high-end brand like Lancome, that's a little surprising. I really did expect it to be waterproof. So what do you guys think of this first unboxing on my channel of the MACY'S beauty box? You know, reminds me of Allure. Lots and lots of little like sample and deluxe sample sizes. This kind of thing is what I was expecting to get, like would get out of like the Ipsy Glam Bag. I can't talk. These are definitely, you know, deluxe sample sizes. I still think this is a deluxe sample size. Obviously the Fix It spray is sample. So and these are probably sample as well. So kind of expensive. I'll put the information down below in the description on the video. You know, I'll get it for a few months and we'll just see how this goes. Or a few boxes, however you want to call it. We'll see how it goes. I know I've watched a lot of other creators unbag or unbox these, and I know they express their disappointment, so I don't think I will be. If this type of thing continues, you're just getting these itty bitties, I doubt I'll do it too long, but I'm going to give it a chance. It's just something new, which I kind of enjoy. So leave me your thoughts down below in the comments, guys. I really appreciate it. I like your feedback. And yeah, this is disappointing. It does say waterproof on this pencil or pen, Ultra Precise Waterproof Liner. Not so much. All right, guys. Hey, we got 2 inches of rain today. Actually, a little bit over 2 inches of rain today. It came down really hard and fast, which is a little unfortunate because you get a lot of runoff, but we needed it. I'm so grateful we got rain. It was really, really important for the crops for sure. So July 5th, 2023, we got a little over, somewhere between 2 and 3 inches of rain. Other areas had a lot higher. Apparently, up closer to Madison, they had like 3 on the east side. I don't know. I haven't heard all the details, but I'm so grateful. So anyway, have a good one, guys. I appreciate your time, and I will see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.